All right, I'm going to show you how easy it is to write a script with YouTube Creator AI. I have a celebrity real estate channel. I'm doing a video on this topic here. Kylie Jenner selling Holmby Hills home. And I just want to do a YouTube short for this. So I'm going to come here, click short, do a sensational news commentary, and hit generate full script. That's all I'm doing. Just a couple keywords. Do the script style. This is going to take probably about 30 seconds or so. It's going to do a live Google search. It's going to verify the accuracy of the story and then give us a script here. So Kylie Jenner's 48 million mansion shocker, why she's moving now, starts with the hook, hold on to your luxury dreams, because Kylie Jenner has just sent shockwaves through the real estate world. She's offloading her infamous Holmby Hills mega mansion for a jaw-dropping $48 million. It gives us a scene, it gives us narration here, visual, outro. So this is a quick script for a YouTube short. So all I had to do was put in a few keywords of the outline or topic and got a full script. You can copy this script to your own notes. You can save this to our internal scratch pad here. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. Just come here to the full script. You can do a long form video with it. These are going to usually be about 4 or 5 minutes, or a short here. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI.
Hold on to your luxury dreams, because Kylie Jenner has just sent shockwaves through the real estate world. She's offloading her infamous Holmby Hills mega mansion for a jaw-dropping $48 million. Remember when Kylie snagged this incredible concrete fortress in 2020 for $36.5 million? Well, she's about to make an eye-watering profit. This isn't just a house. It's a 15,000 square foot resort-style compound, built for ultimate privacy and extravagance. 7 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, an Instagram-ready paradise. So why would the Queen of Beauty offload such an incredible property? The whispers are confirmed. Reports suggest Kylie has completed work on her extensive, custom-built Hidden Hills compound, an even grander estate, bringing her closer to family. She's trading one empire for an even bigger one. This is more than just a sale. It's another power move defining celebrity real estate. What do you think of Kylie's latest property play? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sensational celebrity updates.